Are you thinking about staking and you do not know what stake pool to choose? Maybe are you a member of a saturated pool, part of a cluster pool, or staking in an exchange platform, and do you not know what else you can do with your delegation? Well, think about delegating in our pool. Let me tell you why. We have cloud and local servers running simultaneously, distributed worldwide, to support Cardano's decentralisation. We have a dedicated team making these servers run 100% reliable 24/7. Staking with us, you will receive your percentage staking reward on the amount of ADA you hold. Not only the bigger pools can give you great rewards, but the small pools can also offer you the same income. But the main reason you should delegate in our pool is that we donate 50% of the income pool to environmental organisations worldwide. This way, you can take an active part in saving our planet. Your delegation can impact the fighting against climate change, and it can be extremely useful to support projects for species protection and reduce plastic waste. If you also care about all these problems or want us to give visibility to a specific environmental organisation, don't hesitate to contact us through the website or our social media networks. Together, we can have an impact. Stake with us. Stake for nature.